Alright guys, we're out here at a local reservoir out in the Imperial Valley. Let's try a little top water. I'm a little high up, so we'll see how this works. No action on this. Let's go to a crank. Same technique, just fan casting. So far, nothing on the reaction bites. All right. Slow it down. Let's try a little drop shot, Gary Yamamoto. Alright, here we go. First one on the drop. Good size. What is this? Ooh, it's smallie. Alright, I better hoist him up before I lose him. Good little chunk. Get over here. Oh, healthy little guy. Lost my worm, but look at that little gut. I'm gonna give him 12 inches. Solid pound. Thank you. Beautiful coloring on this guy. Smallmouth. There you go, let him go. Oh, I forgot to take a picture. All right. That's all right. I still got it. So I have it rigged up, gave myself about 11 to 12 inches worth of the leader. Get him right to the belly. Wacky rig. Since he was right here in this area, I'm not going to cast out too far. I'm just going to toss out about 30 feet. See what we get. There's another one. There's a school of them right here. Can't tell if he's a small one or if he's a good sized one. Yeah, he's a small one. Oh yeah, dink. Dink City, but hey, I'll take it. Let's hope I got him in a good spot. Yeah, good enough. Not bad. Boy, at this rate, I'm going to go through this whole bag in the next 5 minutes. Seen a lot of crawdads, so that's good. Looks like they're gorging themselves on them. Probably why the red speckle's working well for me right now. Alright. Let's try back here. Just doing a real slow retrieve right off the bottom. Giving it a couple taps. Take up the slack. All right, I'm getting hit. That's just it. These guys are tiny over here. There we go. It's a little bit of a better size. No, he's still a dink. Oh, here we go. got him right in the corner, right where you want to. Little football size. And it looks like I get to keep more. These little guys are chunks. These guys are eating good, man. Look at that. You can't even tell he's only about 12 inches. This is worthy of a shot here. Fat little guys. Eating good in the neighborhood, huh? Go on, get. Messing me up here. Alright, let's get back out there. I gotta un-F myself here. Oh, shook him. Oh, holy smokes! Oh man! There he is. There he is. He's back. He's back. He's back. He's back. Oh man! He inhaled it. Okay. 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 All right. All right. Oh no! Oh boy! 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 I don't want to lose this guy. Over to the rocks. Over to the rocks. Over to the rocks. Holy S! Oh my God! Oh my God. Oh my God. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh my God. He's huge. He's huge. He is huge. Okay. Okay. Don't lose my footing. Don't get hooked. All right. All right. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. I got him. Oh my God. Guys, this is a PB for me right here. This is a personal best. Holy, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, oh my God, he is heavy. He is effing heavy. Holy crap. How am I gonna get this thing out of him? Oh, that was easy. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. I got a scale. I have a scale. Oh. Get up. Oh, please. Please say you work. Yes, you work. All right. This says 5 pounds. I don't know about 5 pounds. Holy S. This is a toad. Oh, one side definitely looks better than the other. All right. Let's get this guy on the release. Get him down safely. Look at that belly. Look at that belly, guys. He's slipping. He's slipping. Let me get him back in the water.